Alright, here it is. So, I haven't opened this yet, so I have no idea what's inside. Well, I mean, I know what the hell is inside, but... Ooh. Okay, I was expecting a little bit more packaging, but okay, that's cool. So, this little certificate thing is like cut really, really badly. Okay. Anyway, here it is. The actual G10 doesn't feel that bad, and the dang pin. Let's see. Dang pin's a little bit to that side. It's not horrible, not like what I've heard. It's really heavy. Like I knew that. I knew it was gonna be really heavy, but like compared to the 51, it's like it's almost twice the weight. The 51 is 3.3 ounces. This is 5.9. Okay. The scales look like they're held on together pretty well. Are the screws stripped? Doesn't look like it. Okay, let's check it out. Ooh, that's a tight latch. Might have to oil that. Ooh. Okay, it's not focusing. Really doesn't want to focus at all. No, doesn't care. It feels very nice. Ooh, it's super heavy though. Just mega super heavy. The actual like action out of the box is a lot better. I mean, it's still a tiny bit stiff, but yeah, I like that. First impressions, not as bad as people have been saying. I wonder if these scales, it just occurred to me, I wonder if these scales are glow in the dark. That'd be kind of cool. Anyway, there is the Bradley Kimura 2018, oh, that latch is super tight, 2018 G10 version. First impressions are pretty solid, actually. Okay, that's it.